Welcome to our Animal Quiz Challenge. Test your animal knowledge with these fun and easy questions. Let's see how many you can get right. Drop you score over 25 in the comments below after the quiz. Are you ready? Let's go guessing. Question 1. This domesticated animal is known as man's best friend. It comes in many breeds and is often kept as a pet or used for work. What is it? Correct answer. Dog. Question 2. This large marine mammal is known for its intelligence and playful behavior. It's often seen jumping out of the water. What is it? Correct answer. Dolphin. Question 3. This small nocturnal mammal can fly and is known for its echolocation abilities. It's often associated with Halloween. What is it? Correct answer. Bat. Question 4. This black and white bear is native to China and feeds primarily on bamboo. It's considered a symbol of conservation. What is it? Correct answer. Panda. Question 5. This large bird of prey is known for its sharp vision and powerful flight. It's a symbol of freedom in many cultures. What is it? Correct answer. Eagle. Question 6. This small rodent is known for its bushy tail and ability to climb trees. It often stores nuts for the winter. What is it? Correct answer. Squirrel. Question 7. This flightless bird is known for its large size and ability to run fast. It's native to Africa and has long legs. What is it? Correct answer. Ostrich. Question 8. This amphibian can live both in water and on land. It's known for its jumping ability and long tongue. What is it? Correct answer. Frog. Question 9. This underwater creature has a hard shell and moves slowly. It can live both in the sea and on land. What is it? Correct answer. Turtle. Question 10. This insect is known for building complex colonies and producing honey. It has a sting but is also crucial for pollination. What is it? Correct answer. Bee. Question 11. This large marine animal is known for its impressive size and ability to sing. It's often found in deep oceans. What is it? Correct answer. Whale. Question 12. This striped equine is native to Africa and is known for its distinctive black and white stripes. It's closely related to horses. What is it? Correct answer. Zebra. Question 13. This large wild cat is known for its beautiful spotted coat and incredible speed. It's often found in Africa and parts of Asia. What is it? Correct answer. Leopard. Question 14. This bird is known for its bright colors and ability to mimic human speech. It's often kept as a pet. What is it? Correct answer. Parrot. Question 15. This small burrowing animal is known for its soft fur and long ears. It's often kept as a pet or raised for its meat. What is it? Correct answer. Rabbit. Question 16. This large mammal is known for its horn and thick skin. It's often found in Africa and Asia. What is it? Correct answer. Rhinoceros. Question 17. This nocturnal bird is known for its distinctive hooting sound and sharp eyesight. It's often associated with wisdom. What is it? Correct answer. Owl. Question 18. This small, colorful bird is known for its ability to hover in place while feeding on nectar. It's native to the Americas. What is it? Correct answer. Hummingbird. Question 19. This large reptile is known for its powerful jaws and prehistoric appearance. It's often found in rivers and swamps. What is it? Correct answer. Crocodile. Question 20. This small mammal is known for its spines, which it raises when threatened. It often rolls into a ball for protection. What is it? Correct answer. Hedgehog. Question 21. This type of fish is known for its bright colors and living in coral reefs. It's often found in home aquariums. What is it? Correct answer. Clownfish. Question 22. This large flightless bird is native to Australia and is known for its speed and powerful legs. It's the second largest bird in the world. What is it? Correct answer. Emu. Question 23. This desert animal is known for its ability to go long periods without water and its hump, which stores fat. It's often called the ship of the desert. What is it? Correct answer. Camel. Question 24. This large gray mammal is known for its tusks and trunk. It's the largest land animal. What is it? Correct answer. Elephant. Question 25. This small freshwater fish is known for its ability to change gender and its bright colors. It's often kept in aquariums. What is it? Correct answer. Guppy. Thanks for playing along. How many did you guess correctly? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes and challenges.